nasa left. Nasa left. Okay? Sige. So let's begin our training about heart health. Okay? This is the simple step for a healthy heart. May tanong po ako sa inyo, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Sige, dito muna ha. Tahimik muna. Okay, here's the thing. These are questions that I want to give you. Nararamdaman niyo po kung tumitibok yung puso niyo?
Yes!
Okay naman. Nararamdaman. Kasi syempre, pag tinanong ko kung tumitibok pa, of course, tumitibok pa yan. Kaya nga tayo nandito, tama? Pero nararamdaman niyo pa po ba? Parang alang-aning kayo sa sagot niyo. Ha? Yes! Yes. Okay. Sige, later on, let's have this thing. Okay. Bakit ko tinanong at bakit ito yung ituturo ko sa inyo? As I said doon sa mga previous training ko po, ang ating pong katawan, or bilang isang nagdi-DXN, tinatanong tayo ng mga customers natin, hindi po kung ano yung product na binibenta ninyo. Kagaya nito. People will come with you and they will ask you about the problems that they have. Okay? And para sa mga bago, yan po ang mararanasan ninyo or yung mai-encounter ninyong mga customers. People do not ask sa'yo, ano yung RGGL, ma'am? Ano yung meron sa kape nyo? But rather, people ask about what's this? Ano yung solusyon sa problema ko? And the problem will be nasosolve sa products natin. But many of our distributor is this. Nagkakaroon tayo ng overclaiming or kaya malaking question mark sa atin, bakit ito yung products na ibinibigay natin. So dito natin bibigyan ng alaw. Pag may lumapit sa inyong mga customers, sa mga existing members natin, ano yung good for the heart sa DXN products? What are the products that you recommend on them?
Huwag mo i-live, i-record mo lang.
Rosel, correct. RGGL, correct. Bakit yun?
I-video mo lang sa anuhin mo yung Facebook mo dito.
Oh. That is the thing. Yun yung sasagutin natin. Why this product is good. Because if you know the product is why it is helping for the body, it will give you confidence on how you position the product. So that's why in our training, let's have this. Pero lagi kong ginagawa sa training ko, bago ko pumunta sa mga products natin, bigyan ko muna kayo ng konting trivia and facts why we need to promote heart health. Okay? Number 1, tingnan maigi. The cardiovascular disease, ito po yung lead cause death globally, taking 17.9 million lives each per year. May kilala ba kayong may sakit sa puso?
Yes.
Yes. Okay? Kasi, parang, yung mga bago kayo matatakot, ganito lang po ako mag-training. I am just stating the fact. Okay? So, 17.9 million lives per year globally po is nakakaranas ng cardiovascular disease. Hindi deaths naman na disease. Okay? So ngayon, more than 4 of the 5 CVD deaths, ito po is nakukuha doon sa stroke, heart attack, then 1/3 po niyan is nung deaths occur sa prematurely people. Ibig sabihin, nakukuha po nila yung sakit nila sa puso, sa edad po ng 70 years old. Pababa. At ang nakakabahala dito, ultimo pong bata, nagkakaroon po ng sakit sa puso.
Yes.
It's because of the wrong lifestyle that we have on them. I discussed this thing in the obesity and overweight last time. Because if you see why the children nowadays are so weak, yung tipong konting dapa, konting ubo na i-admit sa hospital. It's because their body is weak. And because the lifestyle that they have is different from us. Tama?
Yes.
That is the reason. So why I'm promoting this? Because I want to tell to you that no matter what supplements that you are taking, if you do not change your lifestyle, it becomes useless. Got it? Di ba ang sabi nga natin, bata-bata po may high blood ka na. Bata mo pa, meron ka na sakit sa puso. It's because ano ba yung lifestyle na meron ka? Tama po?
Yes.
Facts. For every 36 seconds, meron pong namamatay for the heart disease. Sa dami po ng sinabi ni Sir John, ilang oras yun? Isa. Sabi natin isa. Ilang tao na kaya yung namatay?
Ito po. Pinag-post pa. Dami.
36 seconds. For every 36 seconds, there is someone who is died because of the heart disease or the cardiovascular disease. Because one of the things is high blood pressure is known as silent
Killer.
Yes.
Sino may high blood? Bakit ina-high blood?
Walang pera.
Walang pera. Napaliwanag kanina yan. Bakit? That is the thing. Diba? Yan po yung reasons because of that. One of the reasons why we have is because of high blood. Okay? Yan yung papaliwanag ko later. But this is where the fact. So ngayon, your heart is the engine of your body. Okay? Ang katawan po ng tao is parang sasakyan. Hindi tayo tatakbo. We are not functioning if we do not have an engine. An engine is our heart. When our heart stops working, our body will become what? Die or we will be dead. Okay? Kasi yung heart po natin is nagpapump yan 100,000 times a day. So kailangan natin pangalagaan yung puso natin. Okay? So ngayon, meron ako ibibigay sa inyo. Anong mangyayari kung ang puso nyo is unhealthy? Sa tingin nyo, kayo yung sumagot. What do you think? What do you think, guys?
Hihina.
Anong nangyari? If your heart is unhealthy, this is the things that happens to your body. Makinig po number 1. Kapag yung heart ninyo is nakakaranas siya ng black arteries, ito po is mag-lead sa heart attack. Kasi yung blood flow po natin, parado. O hindi nakakadalo yung red blood cells o yung dugo natin to pump our heart. So, pwede kang magkaroon ng heart attack. Hindi ko kayo sa tinatakot, pero pwedeng meron na kayo, pero hindi nyo alam.